And when you're ready, fire. Only when you're on target. Then you can put the finger by the trigger. There. Go ahead. Just hold it tight. Be sure of yourself. Now, watch what you're doing. Don't look at me. Pay attention to the gun. Finger on the trigger only when you're ready to fire.
It's an accurate gun.
It hit the bottom red target.
I put it right where I want.
Now, don't look at me. Be aware of the gun. Get 10 more rounds. Kill that target. Kill it. There you go. You're empty. Nice. Like it? All right. There you go.